Kakauwi ko lang ng work. And let's have a look. Can I have your flashlight, please? Oh, can you open? So dark. Wala pa ditong lighting, mga loves. Oh. Can you please? So ito na yung media wall. Okay. So how many cubules, son?
3.
3. It looks...
That one and that one.
Okay.
There you filled in, yeah?
Filled in.
That's filled in there, yeah. TV goes in there.
Yeah.
Fire goes in there.
Yeah.
Could be over there.
I see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Takes some necking. Unbelievable.
Hindi nyo masyadong na-appreciate at the moment kasi madilim at wala pang TV.
In daylight tomorrow.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Yeah. How long does it take you?
Well, we had this done by 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock?
Oh, no, it's 2:30, and then we did the rest of the installation upstairs.
Okay.
We got everything done as wanted to.
Alright.
So, yeah.
Yeah. Very good.
So, we get
Right.
the fire, put it in when it comes,
Yeah.
see if it fits, and then we'll put it back in its box, and then, I don't know how many it actually take, perhaps 80 kilos.
80 kilos. Oh my goodness, son. I cannot help you. Another update. Open it. Wow. Oh, we got the... How did you manage to put this in here? This is quite heavy. How heavy?
Few kilos.
The firewood?
Few kilos.
Few kilos. Can I touch it? It looks like a proper... It's not hot, isn't it?
No, it's not hot.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like a proper fireplace. But it will be warm, hon? Or it is just a feature?
Well, it blows out of here. If we switch it on, it'll out of there. It'll blow hot air out.
Okay, yeah.
I'm trying because you need the remote. I've not put batteries in the remote. I've just switched it on and it's come on like that, you see. But you can do different things with your car, a lot of different things.
Yeah. I like it because it just, yeah.
Yeah, we'll have a thing to make to go, it'll push in and go around up to this here, up to there.
Okay.
So we'll make it out whatever is a feature, you see, and then same here. So we'll plasterboard to here, then we'll make insert to go in and
To
down
go
the
all the
sides.
way around.
So,
Okay. Who did help you put it? Huh? How come? As I said, it's heavy.
oh, yeah, well, there's a will, there's a way. I've just been putting these in, this plasterboard in there. I've started that one.
Hey, you put
You don't stand like them boards.
Oh, what is that for?
It's plasterboard, it's soft stuff.
Okay.
So we've got that over there. I'll stop there.
It will bend. Yeah.
Yeah.
All good?
Yeah, we need to put remote, get a remote on and try and see what it does. So
Where's the remote control?
it's in there, and the battery's going in it. I don't know what it does to be fair.
Okay. So, battery operated too. So you can
Well,
adjust
sure,
the,
we do. Switch it,
you can adjust how you like the illusion sa fire. Very cool. $5.80 na dito ng hapon. And magtutoast lang ako kasi hindi pa ako masyadong gutom. Kasi kanina nagcarbonara talaga ako. Almusal at tanghalian carbonara. Kaya magtutoast tayo with marmalade. Yan lang yung fancy ko ngayon. Uy. Tapos mag-iili tayo kasi meron na naman akong work tomorrow. Anyway, mga palangga, sila nanay pala, pumunta na sila sa Manila para magpa-biometric. So, hopefully, hindi matagal yung desisyon. And ma-approve si nanay. So, fingers crossed talaga. So, yung passport ni nanay, ipapadala na lang sa, sa pinakamalapit na branch, na LBC branch sa amin. And then, doon nila kukolektahin yung passport instead na ipapakolekta or ipapahati doon sa agency na kinuha namin. Kasi kung ipahatid pa doon sa agency na kinuha ko, tapos ipadala ulit sa probinsya, parang ang hassle, diba? Or si nanay yung kumuha ng passport doon sa agency na ginamit ko. Kaya feeling ko ang hassle-hassle, kaya pinadirect ko na lang. Sabi naman ng agency na they will give me an update pag meron ng decision. Ano talaga ba? That's the like parang anticipating part. At the same time, parang nakakatakot malaman yung decision. Kaya babalitaan ko na lang kayo pag nandito na yung decision. Init lang tayo ng tubig, tapos magkape tayo. Decaf, yan. Malakas-lakas ng hangin at ulan. Oh, Jesus. Right, we'll go. Pupunta kasi ako ngayon sa aking kaibigan. But sobrang lakas ng ulan mga loves, as in. Hello, it's another day. Hindi ko na kayo na-update kahapon nung pumunta ako sa kaibigan ko kasi sobrang maulan talaga. Tapos of course hindi naman talaga ako mag-vlog when I'm going to meet her in her house, and she gave me loads of baby clothes, yung baby Moses. Grabe, I'm so grateful talaga mga love sa mga binibigay nila sa akin. Anyway, for the past 3-4 days, ganito talaga yung panahon ba, maulan, makulimlim, very depressing. Nandito ako sa maliit na car park, naghihintay ako ng parking space. Sinatamad akong pumunta sa main car park kasi maulan. Sana may mag-exit soon. Ako pa naman yung naghihintay dito. Ako lang mag-isa na naghihintay ng parking space. Kahapon, ang daming naghihintay dito. Pagdating ko talaga, may 3 sasakyan na naghihintay ng parking space kasi kung maulan ngayon, kahapon talaga sobrang lakas ng ulan, as in. Kaya, yeah. na, so mga 7:30 may mag-out na siguro kasi yung mga naka-park dito halos dito mga night shift to. So hopefully it won't be long. 5 more minutes, clock is ticking. Na meron ng sasakyan, no? Nandito na. Hopefully hindi yan maghihintay. Kasi minsan kasi yung mga ibang sasakyan kahit na nakita ka nila na nauna ka dito na naghintay ng parking space, hindi sila hindi sila, wala silang courtesy pa na to let you go first kasi like agawan talaga ng mga loves ng space. So dapat kung nauna ka dito na naghintay, so of course ikaw yung mauuna to fill that space kung meron mga space. Ganun ba? nakapag-park na ako. But, alam niyo, hindi ko siya nakita. Meron palang space sa pinakadulo. 3 sasakyan na ang nag-return kasi walang space dito. Pero doon si ate, nakita niya yung space at hindi ko din nakita na ako ang pinakaunang naghihintay dito. Ay, nako naman. You just need to be vigilant sa mga dito, mga parking space. Kasi pinakadulo talaga siya. Next to that is yung triangle. Yellow triangle. So, hindi mo siya masyadong pansin. So, anyway, ini-inspect niya kung meron pa bang another space. Kung safe ba yung sasakyan niya. Right, let's go na. Every time talaga na dumadaan ako dito, may naaamoy talaga akong pagkain. Ngayon, parang paktit yung inaamoy ko. Kahapon, yung noodles ba na instant noodles. Anyway, papasok na ako. Sige na. Kasi bawal na kayo dito.